Let's look at this question. A square is divided into 108 identical rectangles. The ratio of length and breadth of the rectangle is 3:4. If the diagonal of the rectangle is 1 centimeter, the length of the diagonal of the square is nearest to. Now, usually what students tend to do is they try to solve the entire thing in one go instead of focusing on individual parts. Start focusing on individual parts, it will help you to solve these questions in a much smarter way. The first thing you know is the rectangle that you are dealing with has sides in the ratio 3x and 4x, and then this is given to me as 1. If you remember nothing else from your high school geometry, you will remember 3, 4, 90 degree. This has to be 5x because 3, 4, 5 is the Pythagorean triplet. Therefore, 4x would actually be 0.8 and 3x would actually be 0.6. Now look at these sides, 0.6 and 0.8. 0.6 multiple times, let's say m times, should be equivalent to 0.8 multiple times or n times. 0.6n should be equal to 0.8n. Can I from this conclude 3m is equal to 4n or m is equal to 4 by 3n? From here we can also go ahead. Understand the number of times you got 0.6 horizontally and number of times vertically, the number of times you got n horizontally is also the number of identical rectangles that are getting created. So we also have mn is equal to 108. We also have m as 4 by 3n. You directly replace that, you get 4 by 3n square is equal to 108, or n square is equal to 81, or n is equal to 9. Now if n turns out to be 9, if n is 9, n will turn out to be 12. Although you don't need the value of m now, only reaching the value of n is enough, because now you would know the length of the side of the square. The 0.6 gets repeated 12 times or the 0.8 gets repeated 9 times. In either case, you are going to end up with side of square as 7.2. And when the side of the square is 7.2, the length of the diagonal is going to be nothing but 7.2 root 2. All of us know the value of root 2 is 1.414. If you were to convert this into fractions for easier calculation, you can completely ignore the last two digits. Then you have 36 by 5 into 7 by 5. 36 into 7 turns out to be 250. Let me check. 252 by 25, which is approximately equal to 10.08. Now, because we are reaching a value of 10.08 and the question itself was giving us a hint that we will not reach a very precise value by giving us the word the length of the diagonal of the square is nearest to, we'll go ahead and choose option G as the answer.